Welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Guys, I'm super excited today, not only to bring you an AirTags, a look at the AirTag, the brand new thing that Apple's introduced to be able to find your items, but this is none other than the ones that are designed by Hermès. Okay, so this is the unboxing of it, and I'll do a review and what I think about them later on in about 2 weeks time, after I've really given it a good use and things like that. All right, before I get into this, guys, this cost me nearly $600. Okay, this channel is purely funded by myself. Okay, if you want to see more quality content such as this, all you have to do is consider subscribing to Honest Straightforward Reviews. All right, without further ado, let's get this unboxing underway. All right, so in the front, it's beautiful. Okay, it's got this nice AirTag Hermès. That's basically it. Okay, look at that. Nothing more is needed. You know what you've bought. Okay, let's look at the side. Nothing to see there. Okay, the back, you've got the basically what it is, and you've got some information here, basically what you require and things like that. Also what it is. So it's AirTag Hermès, and it's a keyring orange. Okay, all right, let's look at the, so it's got a nice little tab. Yeah, you pull this. Now this reminds me of an iPhone. Okay, so the iPhone, you can pull that and bang, everything comes off it. Okay, how beautiful does this box look? Now let's get a bit of a close-up, because this box actually has a very nice texture to it. If you guys can see that, how good does that texture feel? And it doesn't go spill over to the Apple logo and the Hermès. They're flat, they feel flat. All right, let's get this box opened up for you guys. Inside, nice and orange. It's a very Hermès thing. With the Apple Watch, when they first introduced Hermès Apple Watches, they came with a sports band accompanied with it, and that sports band was in this bright, beautiful orange. It's not bright to the sense that it's loud. It's just this, neither is it dull. It's just this nice balance of orange where it's neither bright and loud, neither is it dull and boring. Okay, so this is what I appreciate about them. Okay, let's get that out of the way for a sec. Sorry for it to be out of the picture. How about I take this out of the way and let's leave that in the picture. Okay, and let's look at the box. What do we get in the box? So very different paperwork here. So the Hermès paperwork. Okay, so that's for safety and handling. Okay, it's basically compliance stuff and warranty, and with that it's done. And again, that little texture inside, it's there present all around the box. Now before I get into this, I would just like to bring to your attention something. Okay, that's the box for a normal keychain, and that's the box for the normal AirTag. Okay, massive difference. Look at how huge this thing is. Okay, you get none of these stuff. By the way, guys, if you want to see my unboxing of the AirTags, the normal AirTags and the normal keychain that you can get, you can check the description. I have the unboxing in the description there. Okay, let's get this boy out of the way as well. Let's have this beautiful, yeah, this is very, very soft, luxurious leather feel. I doubt it's leather, because Apple's one of those companies that go against leather. That's where I respect Bang & Olufsen, which they have, one of the reasons I respect them, they have stuck around with that leather stuff. Okay, so there you go. All right, so it's a lot bigger. Okay, if you guys look through my unboxing of the normal AirTag, it's tiny. It's just that bit, which is good to see, because you don't need more than that to hold it. So all this is doing is it's basically holding it, and it's also not paper. This is not paper, this is something else. This is plasticky feeling thing. Okay, so that's the AirTag. Okay, that's how you pop it out of it. Okay, let's leave this here for a tick. What else did we get inside? So we got this bit of paperwork stating how to get it going, okay, and how to use your leather case, Hermès leather case with it, how to put it in, how to strap it, and all that stuff, and then obviously put it on to your keychain if that's what you're going to do. So on this side you get that. Okay, so first of all you'll get a Hermès Paris or Paris, or however they say, so there, okay. Then you get that strap and the patch. Other than that, there's nothing else here. Now, to be honest, I was really tempted for the first time to just pull on this, but decided not to. It might break something. All right, let's look at the Hermès one. What is the difference? So straight off, it's got a matte finish, okay? The normal Apple one has a gloss finish where it reflects everything, and it's got an Apple logo, whereas this is a bit more sophisticated, just says Apple Hermès, you know, nothing else. In the back, there's not much to see. Let me open this up and then compare it to the normal one, side by side. Oh, stand it to be corrected. Okay, so that sound you just heard, that's basically saying it's ready to be paired up. So if I bring it close to a phone, it'll pair it up. Okay, so it is not matte, so it is gloss as well, just as glossy as the normal one, but a lot less information with just Hermès Paris written in the back. Okay, so let's see which side goes in. I think it'll be obviously the Hermès side that'll go in. Yep, it is. Suits. Yep. That's nice and flush. Okay. Alright. Let's look back at that manual. Okay, so you grab the keychain, you put that in, you grab the keychain. Okay, pull that out. Put the keychain through here. Loop it. I think I had to loop it around that. Let's loop it around that. Okay. Now that'll have to stay here. And that loops there. And it loops back into position over here. Alright, so that's basically it. And it's supposed to look something a little bit like so, you know, with the keychain up here. Alright, that's basically it, guys, for the unboxing. I hope you really enjoyed it as much as I did. It's very different, okay? The leather, to be honest, is quite soft and luxurious, and it does feel like leather. Alright, whereas this is just fake stuff. And yeah, nothing like this. This is proper, and it's got the Hermès Paris made in France in the back. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think about this unboxing. Thank you so much for staying to the end. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.